Alright, welcome into my computer. So today I'd like to talk to you in this presentation about affiliate marketing for absolute beginners, which I'm assuming as you're on this video, that's you. Unless of course you're on this video because you are a faithful subscriber of my channel and you watch every video that comes out. In that case, I want to say thank you very much for the support. So I'm going to go over the best niches to promote on YouTube, or for that matter anywhere else, for 2021. Well, let's get into it. Alright, so in this presentation, I will be going over the best niches of 2021. In this video, you will learn exact niches I recommend getting into this year. Now, of course, disclaimer, anytime I talk about business, anytime I mention money, any income whatsoever, I have to put this disclaimer in. This income disclaimer is this. This income is not guaranteed. You are the one responsible to make the money. This is for informational purposes only. What you do with this video is up to you. Let's begin. So the first thing I want to do is what we call evergreen niches. Now you probably have already heard about this. You've probably already seen this. I'm going to go ahead and share it as if you never have. What is evergreen? Evergreen means it's all year round, all the time, in demand. Like a tree that's evergreen, all the time, consistently. So, one of them, of course, now my computer's going to mess up as I'm recording, but you know what? I'm going to keep it in here. I'm not going to edit it. I want you to see what kinds of things can happen as a creator as you're doing YouTube videos. I want you to see the reality. Alright, so, the first one is health, which of course now you see a sneak peek of wealth, but that's fine. Health is the industry where you're talking about losing weight. Could be keto, could be dieting of some sort, could be weightlifting, some kind of a health industry topic. Wealth is what I'm in right now, talking about how to make money, how to do business online, such stuff like that. And then you got relationships. Now I can go ahead and I can share some examples, but you got to leave in the comments below if you would like me to do a follow-up video and share actual examples, samples of people making money, doing what I'm sharing in this video on these three niches. But to keep this video congruent and consistent going through, not wasting too much of your time, getting right into it, those are the three main ones. But there is more I want to invite you to understand as well. Your interests. I teach this in my business for those that take action and go through my link. I teach them that they want to build their business based off their interests. What is their hobbies? What can they monetize? What can they make money teaching others about what they learned, what they do in their everyday life? I'm going to use one example that is not common, but crocheting. Someone that likes crocheting as a craft can actually make money and does make money with their business teaching others how to crochet. Fishing. Someone actually makes a lot of money teaching others how to fish. There's tons and tons and tons of interests that are out there on YouTube that people are making money teaching others how to do it for educational and for entertainment purposes. I personally am very interested in helping others to have a relationship with Jesus as well as make money online with affiliate marketing, which is why I've done what I've done with this channel. Now, if you want to learn how to make money, how to generate leads for free for your business, which leads to sales, I have a free affiliate marketing gift on my website, jonesrandomknowledge.com. The link is also in the bottom of this video. You're more than welcome to go through the steps inside. Inside there, you will be offered some additional training, which will go in depth, longer than this video, more than I would ever put out in public, because just to be very real with you, a lot of people don't have enough of attention span to watch a 10, 15, 25, 30 minute, even an hour long video. So I do very quick videos publicly and in-depth videos behind the scenes for those that have taken action. Click my link in my bio, click my link in my description of my video, have reached out and decided, yes, I want to learn from you in detail. Now I do have a free training. I also have paid training. I have a course that I just started promoting this past month I won't go over the details because I may change the price here in the future, and I don't want this video to be irrelevant at that time. If you're watching it months down the road and it's a different price, I don't want to mislead anyone. So I hope this video was helpful to you. One more thing. If you would, please refer a friend. Tell them to go to Google and type in Jones Random Knowledge, just as you see. Thanks. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm curious, what made you click this thumbnail and watch this video? Was it the thumbnail? Was it the description? Was it curiosity? Please leave a comment below. I greatly appreciate your feedback. Thank you. Remember to click the link below for my free ebook of proven successful steps. Be good to others, because God has been good to you. Until the next one, take care.